Greetings everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through the process of crafting your very own 3D AI social media ID. Let's jump right in. First off, let's launch Chrome. Next, navigate to bing.com. Now, click on the Images tab. Now, click on the Create tab. Here, you can input your desired prompt. Create an Instagram profile on Glassed card on a black desk displaying Instagram logo and realistic profile photo of a teenage boy in circle and shots. It is written in bold fonts under the profile photo. The Instagram card is glowing in orange color on the edge. Once ready, hit Create to generate your 3D AI social media ID. Now, let's give it a moment to work its magic. And there you have it. Your unique 3D AI social media ID is now ready to dazzle. Simple, isn't it? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.